Hello, today we will learn about systems of equations. Two equations is one solution. A system of equations is two or more equations considered together. In this example, it is y equals x plus 1 and y equals negative x plus 5. When you put it into the decimal calculator, the answer is 2, 3. That's the point where the system of equations intersect. Over here. The solution makes both equations true. Let's check for 2, 3. For the first equation, 3 equals 2 plus 1. For the second equation, 3 equals negative 2 plus 5. And that is true. The solution is where the lines intersect. Subscribe for more Algebra 1 lessons.